Don't fall. Don't fall. Christian's going across the footbridge. Oh, it's a big old log that fell across the river. Oh, no, good job. Now Manny's going to break it because it'll break for him. You suck, River. You didn't even get Christian stuck in the river. Yay! Made it. Now climb that tree. You're going to climb that tree over there because it's littler? Oh, good. Yeah, yeah.